Good morning everyone. Today I am explain organic chemistry reaction mechanism. In this reaction mechanism, two parts are there: aliphatic nucleophilic substitution and aromatic nucleophilic substitution. And part B, elimination reaction. In reaction mechanism means first we are taking a reactant and it gives a product due to an intermediate state. This is the detailed structure of reaction mechanism, detailed description of reaction mechanism. We are taking reactant and it gives product through an intermediate. Generally organic reactions are seven types: addition reactions, elimination reactions, substitution, pericyclic, rearrangement, photochemical, and redox reactions. Generally, we are studying addition, elimination, substitution, and rearrangement reaction. Substitution means types of steps in reaction mechanisms. Bond formation or bond breaking can be symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Symmetrical means homolytic, unsymmetrical means heterolytic. Symmetrical bond breaking or unsymmetrical bond breaking can be formed. We are taking a bonding reactant. We are breaking the bond between the reactant, between the atoms. Symmetrical bond breaking can be done. Each reactant can stay with a one bonding electron and it forms a radical. Whereas unsymmetrical bond breaking can be done. Both the electrons are shifted to one reactant and other can electron deficient. The both electrons can be stay with the atom will be electron rich species. Then it forms ions, is known as unsymmetrical. Then bond making can be also done in symmetrical or unsymmetrical. In symmetrical bond making, one bonding electron is donated by each reactant, and in unsymmetrical bond making, two bonding electrons are donated by one and other can accept to form a bond. In these making and breaking, two types of arrows are observed. In heterolytic cleavage, fully headed arrow is observed, and in homolytic cleavage, half-headed arrow is observed. This half-headed arrow is also known as fishhook arrow. In this fishhook arrow, free radicals are formed. In fully headed arrow, radical ions either may be negative positive or negative ions are formed. Generally, types of organic reactions are substitution, addition, elimination, and rearrangement reactions. Substitution means replacement of an atom or group by other atom of group. For example, we are taking an alkyl halide. It replaced by another nucleophile by elimination of X minus and replaces the place of X minus by OH minus. This is known as substitution. Substitution reactions are two types, SN1 and SN2. Addition reactions. Addition means one molecule is added to unsaturated systems. The reagent often adds to C double bond C, C triple bond C, C double bond O or C triple bond N. These type of compounds are taken and we are add any halogen or water molecule or other etc. Then for example, these type of reagents often adds to these compounds. Then pi bond is converted to sigma bond. For example, we are taking ethylene. It is having one pi bond and one sigma bond, and it is undergoes addition with Cl2 in presence of CCl4. Then pi bond is converted to sigma bond, forms dichloroethane, and cyclohexene is also treated with water molecule, forms cyclohexanol. Elimination reactions. Generally, elimination means eliminate the molecules on adjacent carbons forms an unsaturated systems. Like this, here we are taking butanol, 2-butanol, eliminate water molecule to form 2-butene. Elimination reactions are of three types: E1, E1Cb, and E1, E2. Rearrangement. Migration of group takes place with same molecule. Rearrangement means one molecule can be rearranged to another molecule without elimination. For example, here we taking an oxime, it forms an amide. This is known as Beckmann rearrangement. Next, SN1 and SN2 reactions and stereochemistry of SN1 and SN2 reaction. SN1 means substitution. SN1 means nucleophilic unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. S means substitution, N means nucleophilic, 1 means unimolecular. SN1 reactions are nucleophilic substitutions involving a nucleophile replacing a leaving group. SN1 reactions are nucleophilic substitutions. It involves nucleophile replacing a leaving group. SN1 reactions are unimolecular. Rate of this reaction depends only on the concentration of one reactant. Rate of this reaction depends only on the concentration of one reactant. It involves two steps. In the first step, eliminates the leaving group, forms a carbocation intermediate. In the second step, this carbocation intermediate rearranges and attacks the nucleophile. We are taking this type of reaction, eliminate Cl molecule to form a carbocation. This carbocation is primary carbocation. We are all know in previous classes, primary carbocation means one functional group can be attached to the carbon atom. Secondary means two functional groups, and tertiary means three functional groups are attached to carbon which is having a positive charge, then it is known as tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation, this primary carbocation can be rearranged to tertiary carbocation by shifting of methyl group from first carbon to second carbon to first carbon. We are all know tertiary carbocations are more stable than secondary. Secondary is more stable than primary. This is the in a reaction. The elimination of leaving group is the slowest step and it is the rate determining step. It forms a carbocation and nucleophile attacks the carbocation from two sides, back side and front side. First step of the SN1 reaction, the leaving group leaves. Substrate carbon only has three bonds. Only has three bonds. Carbocations are most stable when there are more atoms to distribute carbon stability. In tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary is more stable than primary. In the second step, the nucleophile attacks the carbocation intermediate. Then the substrate loses any stereospecificity during the carbocation intermediate. And next one, stereochemistry of SN1 reaction. Here, in this, in the in the second step, the carbocation is formed. In the first step, carbocation is formed. This carbocation is the formation of carbocation is the rate determining step, and it involves the and this carbocation is sp2 hybridized, and it is a trigonal planar molecule. Then it allows two different ways to attack the carbocation from nucleophile. Nucleophile can attack the carbocation. Two ways can be represented. One is front side and another one is back side. Then yields a racemic mixture of enantiomers. For example, we take S3-chloro-3-methyl-hexane, which with an iodide ion yields a racemic mixture of 3-iodo-3-methyl-hexane. We are taking 3-chloro-3-methyl-hexane. In this compound, 6 carbons are present and third carbon having chlorine atom and methyl group. Then it is known as 3-chloro-3-methyl-hexane. In this first step is the elimination of leaving group. Cl is eliminated to form a carbocation. That carbocation is sp2 hybridized and trigonal planar molecule. This trigonal planar molecule has two ways to attack the nucleophile, from front side or back side. Then it forms two enantiomers, that is known as racemic mixture. So whereas where the leaving group is eliminated, then the nucleophile attacks from that side, then it forms an S enantiomer. Retention of configuration takes place. Where the leaving group is eliminated and a nucleophile attacks from the opposite side, then inversion of configuration should be takes place. Then racemic products can be formed. Generally SN1 reactions involves a retention of configuration. When the leaving group eliminate, then the direction nucleophile can attack. Next, the SN2 reaction. SN2 means bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. A bimolecular reaction is one whose rate depends on the concentration of two of its reactants. SN2 reaction happens in one step, whereas SN1 reaction happens in two steps. The nucleophile attacks the substrate as the leaving group leaves the substrate. In this, nucleophile attacks the carbocation and the leaving group leaves the substrate can be done in one step, that is known as transition state. When the leaving group eliminate and the nucleophile attack, both are simultaneously can be done in transition state. This is the reaction for SN2 reaction. In this, nucleophile leaves and leaving group leaves, nucleophile attacks from backside. In SN1 reaction, front side attack is so many reactions are possible, whereas in SN2 both sides are possible, but inversion of configuration takes place, that is Walden inversion. Sent to nucleophile attacks from the most positive region. The backside attack causes an inversion. Nucleophile must be able to reach the positive carbon center. Stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction is a nucleophilic substitution whereby lone pair of electrons on a nucleophile attacks on electron deficient electrophilic center and bonds to it, resulting in the expulsion of leaving group. Leaving group eliminate with its electrons and it forms a electron deficient electrophilic center. Then nucleophile enter with its electrons to attack the electron deficient carbon to form a bond. Front side attack. The nucleophile attack the electrophilic center on the same side as the leaving group. When front side attack occurs, the stereochemistry of the product remains the same. Retention of configuration takes place. Whereas leaving group leaves and the nucleophile attacks from the back side, inversion of configuration takes place. Generally in SN2 reactions, inversion of configuration takes place. For example, we are taking bromine eliminates from this side, left side. Iodide also is attacked from left side. Retention of configuration takes place. Bromine eliminates from left side and iodine adds from right side. Inversion of configuration takes place. Next one, neighboring group participation. What is mean by neighboring group? Neighboring group means it pushes the leaving group and It participates in the reaction where the external nucleophile enters. And also ankmeric assistance. Nucleophilic substitutions takes place with racemization. We are all seeing in SN1 and SN2 racemic product should be formed. So in several cases, such racemizations occurs with overall retention of configuration during nucleophilic substitution is neighboring group participation, due to which rate of reaction becomes greater than the expected and the configuration of chiral carbon is retained and not inverted or racemized. For example, we are taking a R compound in this. For example, we are taking a reactant and it is having a neighboring group, and the configuration of that reactant should be R. Due to the presence of R, we expect the product 70%. Due to the presence of neighboring group, the product will increase to 90%, and the configuration of the compound we are taking R, then the product configuration is also R. The product configuration is also R. Does not be inverted or racemized product should not be formed due to the presence of neighboring group. In the first step, it pushes the leaving group and lone pair of electrons donate to the electrophilic center and forms a bond. In the second step, external nucleophile attacks from backside this neighboring group, taking its electrons and forms a bond like this. What is an ankmeric assistance? When the neighboring group participation operates during the rate determining step of a reaction, the reaction rate is usually increases. This effect is known as ankmeric assistance. Neighboring group, when we are done a reaction in the rate determining step, we are using neighboring group, then the rate of reaction is generally increases, then that step is known as ankmeric assistance. So many examples are there: oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. These are all the examples for neighboring group participation. Oxygen is taken as a neighboring group. Hydroxy group is used, and also methoxy group is also used as a neighboring group in presence of any in presence of a methoxy group can be methoxy group is also used as a neighboring group participation. For example, for methoxy alkyl sulfoxide reacts, alpha sulfoxide reacts with alcohols 4000 times faster than the normal n-butyl sulfonate. In this reaction, we are observing elimination of tosyl group OSO2 it forms a carbocation. Then this lone pair of electrons from oxygen donate to form a bond, and it is again treated with an alcohol, and then it forms a bond like this. And sulfur is also used as a neighboring group. Sulfur is a neighboring group than sulfides. Sulfur atom is more powerful nucleophile than oxygen, and the participation of sulfur as a neighboring group is stronger. Sulfide can assist in substitution through neighboring group participation. For example, hydrolysis of 2-chloroethyl sulfide to the corresponding alcohol, the rate of reaction 1000 times faster than the hydrolysis of 1-chlorohexane to hexenol. We are taking the example like this, and we are using nitrogen as a neighboring group. Nitrogen with non-bonding electron assists the substitution of hydroxy group for halogen. This is the example. Thank you.